Today we're talking about hand shapes. Hand shapes are a fixed position hand that are used in multiple signs. Something like this with a B hand shape. A C hand shape, have you seen that before? Cup. Today we're talking about the letter A hand shape. Okay? The fingers are nice and tight down. Don't have them sloppy like this. All right? Nice and tight and the thumb outstretched. Let's give you some examples. How about follow? To follow. To follow. Non-dominant hand, right behind it. Follow. This is not follow. Okay, that's getting sloppy. Nice and tight right behind it. Follow. How about to chase? Right? Little kids are chasing each other. Nice and tight, and it goes around and forward as you're chasing. How about avoid? Okay, I want to avoid somebody. Ooh, that person, I'm going to avoid them. Two letter A hand shapes. Your dominant hand, I'm right-handed. I start here and I pull it back in a curve, okay, or a wiggle, okay, to avoid, okay. How about how? Nice and simple. How? Just roll the knuckles. How? How are you? Ooh. How do I do something? All right, roll those knuckles. How? Which? Again, these same hand shapes. Which? All right. I have ice cream and I have a cookie. Which do you prefer? Which? All right. And this is true in so many different languages. I have okay. All right. You'll use gestures as you get better and better, but okay. All right. Or not so okay, an unacceptable outcome. All right. Okay and not okay. How about to associate? All right. To associate. To fellowship. All right. A hand. That circle stays the same distance from the non-dominant hand and it moves, right? To associate, right? How about to continue? Will you do this? Yeah, I will continue. Two letter A hands, nice and forward smoothly, continue. Now here's a really slight change. Persist. Persist. Do you see that? The face has to get a little tighter, hands in. You are pushing that rock up the hill. I will persist until I succeed. All right? I hope that's describing your ASL learning. Persist. Persist. How about can? Two A hands. Can. Yes, you can. No, Mom, I can't. Yes, you can. Okay? Just break the wrist down once. Can. Can. Yes, you can. And for all you moms and dads, how about bath? Okay? It's time for a bath. Bath. Letter A hands, up and down the chest right here. Bath. Okay, bath. And maybe for you moms, after a long day, you need a nice, warm, hot bath. All right? Make sure your hands with an A hand shape, they're in tight, thumbs outstretched. Good signing requires exactness. Don't get sloppy. Learn your signs, do them right, and you'll become a great signer. Thanks.